Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. We got a 73 Sportster dead-end project that we're parting out. And got it bought this from a person that started on it and they just moved on to something else. So what we've got is, I believe these cylinders are for 72 to early 73 Sportster. The threads come all the way to the top. And I believe that's stock for the early ones. I'm almost sure. These are Wiseco piston kits. Now we've got these marked. I had our machinist check these out and rehone them and everything, make sure the clearance was good. There are no two pistons are the same, no matter what anybody says. So this goes to number 1. This goes to number 2. And here's your rings, pins, and clips. They have been freshly painted. I don't know how good the paint is, but they are painted. They have a casting number that says -72 on the casting number. So we believe these are for 72 to early 73 Sportster, freshly bored. They're ready to rock. Just assemble them and go. All right, and here's the box they came in, and there's the Wiseco piston kit. These pistons are expensive. Machine work is expensive, and the cylinders are nice. So good luck, and what a heck of a head start. And if there's any needs out there for more stuff, we're going to be listing more things for a 73 Sportster, depending on your needs. All right, well, thanks for looking at our stuff.